Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Prepositions quiz. Hello viewers. In this video, we will learn the correct use of prepositions. Let's start now. This video is a quiz. So, share your answers in the comment section. The ball is blank space the basket. The options are between, inside, behind. Your time starts now. The correct answer is inside. The ball is inside the basket. The bird is flying blank space the sky. The options are through, over, in. Your time starts now. The correct answer is in. The bird is flying in the sky. The book is blank space the bed. The options are above, in, on. Your time starts now. The correct answer is on. The book is on the bed. We are sitting blank space the park bench. The options are beside, on, under. Your time starts now. The correct answer is on. We are sitting on the park bench. The cup is blank space the table. The options are behind, on, in. Your time starts now. The correct answer is on. The cup is on the table. The dog is hiding blank space the sofa. The options are under, next to, over. Your time starts now. The correct answer is under. The dog is hiding under the sofa. Where is the dog? The options are on the table, under the table, in the table. Your time starts now. The correct answer is under the table. The dog is under the table. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye!